Hello guys, good morning, good evening, or afternoon. Yan guys, ay Japanese dog yan guys, Japanese dog. Ang galing-galing yan guys, oh. Makipaglaro ng kuan guys, ng tao yan, oh. Yan yun, oh. Ang galing ng kuan, aso na yan eh. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Pag sinipa ko yung bulan yan, oh, kinukuha, oh. So, ang galing-galing ng kuha na yan. Japanese dog. Yan na guys. Maraming salamat po. Sana paki-like and share. Bye-bye.